What you can't see can absolutely hurt your clients. Today, we're exploring the International Residential Code, Section R408, the critical requirements for underfloor spaces that prevent moisture, mold, and structural damage when they're done right. The International Residential Code gives you two options for underfloor moisture control: ventilated crawl spaces or unvented crawl spaces, both designed to keep moisture at bay. For ventilated crawl spaces, you need 1 square foot of ventilation for every 150 square feet of underfloor area. Ventilation openings within 3 feet of each corner, properly covered openings with a maximum 1/4 inch mesh to prevent pests from entering. And for unvented crawl spaces, look for a continuous Class 1 vapor retarder covering all exposed earth. The joints overlapped 6 inches at least and properly sealed. Edges extending up the stem foundation walls with proper sealing. One of 4 air management solutions: mechanical ventilation, conditioned air supply, plenum compliance, or a properly sized dehumidifier. Now, access. Access is non-negotiable. You have to verify through floor openings that measure at least 18 by 24 inches and through wall openings at least 16 by 24 inches. Remember, access should never be located under a door to the residence. Don't overlook these essential things. All construction debris must be removed before occupancy. The finished grade should be at the bottom of footings unless poor drainage exists. In flood-prone areas, check for the required flood openings. And according to INTRNACHI's standards of practice, while you're not required to enter crawl spaces that aren't readily accessible or they pose a safety hazard for you, you are required to inspect the crawl space when accessible and then report upon observed indications of wood in contact with or near the soil and active water penetration. The pre-drywall phase is your only opportunity to see these critical underfloor components before they're all concealed. What you document today could prevent thousands in moisture damage tomorrow, making you infinitely more valuable to your clients.